at the Elephant Poo Poo Paper Park in Chiang Mai, Thailand. At this unique park, you can learn about the traditional Thai papermaking process, but with a twist. The paper is made from the fibrous remains of the elephant's poop. And the best part, you can take home a souvenir made from the Elephant Poo Poo paper. So come with us as we visit the Elephant Poo Poo Paper Park in Chiang Mai and experience the magic of Elephant Poo Poo paper.
We're headed to Poo Poo Elephant Park, LE Cafe, and then Sticky Waterfalls.
Yeah, that's true.
We are heading out, and I think our van might be here. We're gonna go find out.
Nothing about me.
I didn't forget about you.
Yeah.
We're heading out. It is absolutely beautiful out here. About 9 a.m. We're going to get in the van, have a half-hour ride to the first place, and then we just have like a half-hour ride between each place, and then we'll have like an hour-and-a-half ride to get home at the end of the day. But super excited. Should be a lot of fun.
Okay, come on, Cora. Harper.
So we're going to Poo Poo Elephant, and that's where we make paper out of elephant poop. There's a trail.
It's a trail.
That's the poop.
Is it the poop?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. And then they recycle it, and they like, yeah, I told you. And then they like roll it, and then you get to like choose a color, and then you let it dry, and then like later on you can like keep it there and guys, look at the poo poo there.
A moment, please.
It's hairy poo poo.
Ew. It is hairy. Okay, we just got to the Elephant Poo Poo Park, and there's poo poo everywhere. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. The weather's perfect and everything is beautiful here. This is so cool.
Hey,
honey? Yeah, she just tripped, honey.
Alright, where's the... Don't step in that.
Don't step in the poop. New York City. We just got to the Elephant Poo Poo Park.
Yeah, it's really cool here.
Yeah, it is really neat. We're gonna do a tour of this place and make some paper out of poop, I think. Yeah. Lily's excited.
She like knows all about it already.
I know,
so.
she's already watched a bunch of videos on it. Okay, cool.
We had no idea she even knew about it.
Nope, not at all. All right, let's go.
Dolphin Poop? Is this real? Yes! In fact, you cannot fake this thing. It smells good. Yep. Quite good. You wanna try?
No. You wanna smell it? You wanna smell it?
No.
You close your eyes, just coconut.
Yes.
What about you?
In fact, it's not.
Actually, you can go. Yeah. Okay. It doesn't.
No, doesn't really have a smell.
Yeah.
It don't have to smell, Dad.
He said if it's dry, it's okay. If it's wet, don't pick it up.
Yes. I mean, the fresh one, yes. Because when it's out fresh, yeah, it's gonna be very wet. If you don't like elephant poo, how about this? I have horse and cow. Might gonna be worse than this. Yeah. Place we focus down to make handmade from this one right here.
elephant poop. Has no smell. So basically they can make paper with anything with fibers. So coconut husks, any of the grass-fed animal poop, corn husks and things like that. Pretty cool.
Yes. But it's not like you want to clean, like you want to get this thing and then you jump them in here. No. At least this ball here, this ball of the dry poo, need to be washed inside the water for at least 5 times. Yeah, soaking, rinsing. You get it as something like a rock and sand and dust and dirt. Okay, yeah, like this. You can pick it up, you can slide it down, flip it. There you go. Just be careful, it's hot, right? If you smell it, it's gonna be smell like a grass. No, gonna try. No.
He doesn't like.
Hey, it's fine. It smells like tea.
I'll put it in my pocket.
Not the tea we have, of course. You see that? To be the best material, which is just a grass. Now you know this is just a grass. You can go back home. You can make a paper from grass as well. It's the same thing. You know what? You give this one to your family back home, and they will have no idea it's elephant poo. Give your friend at school or something.
If we got dinner.
They're gonna be like, oh, what do I give you? Be a grass. It's not a grass. It's come out like elephant butt. So it's elephant poo. Okay, if it's a grass, then why don't you just use the grass to make a paper?
Il dit que ça ressemble à la taille.
Why we use elephant poo to make a paper? This is funny? Profitable? Or just for amusement? We teach people, kids, students, how to make elephant poo paper. Well, that is true. But it's not like I want everybody here to go back home and make elephant poo paper. Because we know, not everybody have elephant run around in the backyard. So instead, we teach them how to make handmade paper, about recycle, and just, sustainability in general. Even they go back home and don't remember how to make elephant poo paper, but if you know what recycle is, that is good enough. It's just a ball. Yes. And we call this thing poo ball. Yeah. Not joking, it's a poo ball right back there. You can see it's a bucket of poo ball right there. So, poo ball, I will let you hold it first so you know what we're gonna deal with. All right? You wanna hold it first? Yes. Alright. You can tell them how does it feel. No.
You don't want to, Harper? I thought you wanted to hold it.
Ooh. You want the blue one? Here. You want to hold the blue one? Here. Can you give it to her? You want to hold the blue one? Here. Yay. It's the same thing. Then we turn on the machine for 2 hours. That's why you don't want to go inside. Ball inside the frame. Yeah, this is gonna be A4 frame of paper. We got a brick, just a normal brick, and then we got a tub of cold water. The ball inside there, you see that? It's kind of moving around.
Stick it in the water. Up, girls. Keep going.
Like that.
Keep it in and shake it.
Like that. Yes, that's good. Keep doing. for some people who make such a good piece of paper, there's two reasons. First, they make a paper before. Second, they play with poo before. Might be one of them.
Si tu joues extrêmement bien, c'est parce que tu joues avec du papier.
No. If you touch it, you might hear a hole right now. The paper hole themselves, if the
Okay, girls just made pink poo paper.
Peel it out.
Peel.
Slow down.
Slow.
Step back. Walk back.
Slow.
Going. Wow. There you go.
Hold it up.
Oh, I haven't finished mine yet.
Okay, so we just got done with the tour, and now the girls can do some crafts. So they all got a little fan, one of those kind of fans, and they're decorating with like letters and elephants, animals. So it's pretty cool. It's really nice here though, so I would recommend coming here. Very cool. This is such a cool place. Elephant Poo Poo Park in Chiang Mai. I would definitely come back here. It was 100 baht per adult and child over 3. So Harper was free, but so 400 baht, it's like $12 to get in. That's not bad at all. And then we had to buy the fans for the girls, which were like 150 baht each. So, oh my gosh, so cool.
Let me see.
Here they come.
Maybe you have to come inside things.
Was that fun, girls?
Yes.
Hello, kitty. Your mom is so nice.
Yeah, because I picked them out.
We are going to Ellie Cafe now, and we're almost there. Let's window.
Oh my goodness.
It was a big old elephant.
Uh-huh.
So good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still.
We're at a cafe and there is a bunch of dogs here and we don't see any elephants. I thought I saw one, but it was actually a water buffalo, so yeah. We've actually went to go look at water buffaloes, so you can go watch that video. So. We got coffee. We got chocolate. It tastes like chocolate milk. I love it.
I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay.
Okay, this is very cool.
Every single day.
Elephant right there. That's awesome. So yeah, pretty cool cafe. I wouldn't come here for the food though. Just get drinks and the view is amazing. Food, meh. But awesome place to stop on the way to the Sticky Waterfalls. Speaking of, let's head that way.
is just
This is one of those moments, it's hard to capture. And it's one of those moments where it's hard to capture my feelings and how cool this is and how excited I am to be here and actually seeing this. I mean, I'm in northern Thailand, drinking coffees and eating bad Thai at an elephant cafe. Like, man, this is so cool. It's January 2nd today, second day of the new year. 2022 was absolutely amazing. We had such a great time. We saw so many things, learned so many things. Coming up on a year, in about 4 months. So, been traveling for about 8 months now. It'll be 1 year and 4 months. And that's when we kind of need to discuss what we're going to continue doing. We don't really know yet. We want to keep traveling. We want to keep seeing stuff. But, we gotta figure out a way to get some income. Finally monetized our YouTube channel at the beginning of December. And that's nice. But we're gonna need a lot more views, so share this with friends. So we're figuring it out though, slowly. We're gonna figure out a way to keep on traveling because we love it. We're having a blast. So let's go to Sticky Waterfalls.